Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's time to start preparing our Christmas decoration. So this is what we are going to be making today. The materials are listed on the description below, and I have all the layers here ready to start putting them together using the foamy dots. Basically using cardstock and glitter cardstock also, and the foamy dots to create this Christmas decoration. And I always start with the last layer all the way through the first one, because that way I can press each layer to make sure all the layers are going to stay together using the foamy dots. And also I avoid to kind of damage the layers. And I usually make sure that this area that I just pointed out is matching the previous layer, so I can make sure that they fit in before I actually attach the layer one to each other. So I just removed the piece of paper that protects the glue that the foamy dot have, and then I started removing the others, just again to make sure my layer is in the right position that needs to be. And if you notice, all these layers are even, so you can see that once you start putting this layer, it fits the leaves all around. So now the third layer, well, actually number 4, if we consider the well, these are, I don't know if I can call it flowers. I'm sorry if that's not the right name. I'm gonna call them that way. So these also have foamy dots to add some dimension. So after you have 3 layers together, this is what's next. And then the second part of this design has the same 4 layers that we already have here together in a small size. And I just want to mention, so if you like this video, I will appreciate if you can give me a thumbs up, and also you can subscribe to my channel so you can receive notifications every time I have a new video. As you can see, I have all kind of designs that came to my mind, and then I just put them on paper. All my designs are on my Etsy store. You are welcome to check it out. The link to my Etsy store is also below, and you can buy this design on my Etsy store for Christmas. And also, if you would like to learn how to make these designs, you are welcome also to join my Facebook group. I opened it up a couple months ago. It's a small group, but I'm trying to teach classes twice a month, so people can learn how I create these designs, the programs that I use besides Design Space, to kind of have additional help in order to be successful and create designs in a small amount of time. So you are welcome to join my group also, and also the link is below. I also have my Instagram account where you can also see my illustrations, so you are welcome to check it out. So now here comes this part. This one actually goes before the smaller size of these layers that I already have together. In these pieces with glitter cardstock, and I recommend to have a very thick cardstock for this particular layer, because that way the letters, the word Merry Christmas, is gonna be very stable and they are not gonna look fluffy. So now I'm just adding the smaller layers now, because I want to have the word Merry Christmas visible, and also because the Merry Christmas is the only one piece with silver color and glitter that makes it stand out a little bit more compared to the other layers, which is one of the things that I wanted to make using these colors. With the rest of the cardstock, you can use different tones of green, so you can get a similar result, or you can use just one green tone if you would like to. It is totally up to you. And as you can see, this design is very easy to make, and also it doesn't take a long time, and even so, it's a beautiful design, and you can use it either to put it on your door, or just hanging out up to the ceiling, or as part of the decoration for your Christmas tree, which will be nice too. I don't have my Christmas tree ready, so I cannot show you pictures, otherwise I will be happy to do that, but I will share some pictures once my Christmas tree is up, with all the Christmas decorations that I will be working on. There are more coming up, so please stay tuned. And again, if you want to receive the notifications, so please subscribe so you will see as soon as I have the new designs. I'm already working on 3 or 4 more, because I really like Christmas. It's my favorite season, or holiday actually. And I don't know, Christmas, I think, is always very festive. There is no way to miss it, because you see decorations everywhere. So it's a very nice time of the year, and that's why I decided to start creating Christmas decoration right away. It's never too early, right? So we are just adding the very last layer now, before we put the last flowers, and then the last piece is going to be this ribbon that has, if you see, it has like 2 different tones of red, and the darker color is also glitter, but this is glitter vinyl. But you can use cardstock, and that's perfectly fine. And also you can use the same tone of red if you don't have a different tone, and that will work also. And since we are talking about Christmas, do you have anything in mind about what's gonna be your celebration this year? Please leave your comments. I would like to hear any ideas that you have. I'm still thinking what I'm gonna do with my family this year to make it feel special, even that this has been a hard year for everybody, with all the things going on, the fires, the coronavirus situation and everything, but we still have a reason to celebrate, right? And so I'm looking forward to hear your ideas. That will help me to decide what I'm gonna do with my family also. Okay, so this is almost the last step before we put the ribbon, and then this Christmas decoration will be ready to go. Last thing we could use, if we want to add more to make this piece shiny, will be add either glossy accents or anything similar that adds that shiny look that I always like to have. I'm running out of glossy accents right now, so I'm not gonna use it, but since I'm using a little bit of glitter vinyl, that helps, and also the glitter cardstock gives a nice look to the work for Christmas. Now I'm gonna place this and we'll be done. I'm also using dots, mini dots, so I'm adding extra dimension for this piece also. And here we go. So my Christmas decoration is ready now. So you can see it looks very nice. It's shiny and ready to decorate my place. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.